Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to discuss how to install Homebrew on Mac. Homebrew it's the most popular package manager for macOS, allowing you to install thousands of applications and command line tools with a single command. In this video I will show you complete installation of Homebrew on your Mac. Let's get started. First, open your preferred browser and search for Homebrew for Mac. Then press enter. Now you can see here the official website of Homebrew. Simply click on this website and open it. Now you will see here a command line code for installation of Homebrew. Simply copy all this code. That's it. Now close this. Now press command plus space bar to open Spotlight search and search for terminal. Now open your terminal. Now simply paste that code here and then press enter. As you can see, checking for sudo access, which may request your password. Now provide your Mac password here, then press enter. As you can see here, press return or enter to continue or any other key to abort. Just simply press enter. As you can see, the installation is on the way. Now downloading and installing Homebrew, you can see on your screen. It may take some minute to install all this. Now you can see here it is updating Homebrew. As you can see here, run these commands in your terminal to add Homebrew to your path. And that's how you can easily install Homebrew on your Mac. Now you can install hundreds of applications and developer tools using simple terminal commands. Let's suppose I will install VLC. Search for brew, search VLC and then press enter. As you can see, it is downloading VLC setup. You can install any application directly using the code. And that's how you can install and use Homebrew on your Mac. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on notification bell for more Mac tutorials. Thank you for watching.